Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure After Effects for motion graphics text animation step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects and create a new project. Navigate to the top left corner and click on New Composition. Set your desired resolution and duration in the Composition Settings window. Make sure to choose a frame rate that suits your project needs. Click OK to create your new composition. Select the text tool from the toolbar or press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. Click anywhere in the composition panel to create a text box. Type in the text you want to animate. Highlight the text and adjust the font, size, and styling in the character panel. Select the text layer in the timeline. To start animating, click on the arrow next to the text layer to reveal its properties. Find and expand the Animate drop-down menu. Choose Position to add a position animator. Adjust the initial position values as needed. Add another animator by clicking Add next to the Animator 1 option. Select Opacity this time for fade effects. Set the opacity value to 0 to start your animation. Next, expand the Animator 1 options to adjust keyframes. Find the range selector and expand it. Set keyframes for start and end properties to control the animation timing. Adjust the duration of your keyframes for smoother transitions. Fine-tune the offset property to create dynamic text movement. Experiment with easing by right-clicking on the keyframes. Select Keyframe Assistant and then choose Easy Ease for smoother motion. You can also add additional animations through the Add menu in the Animator options. Experiment with properties such as rotation and scale for more effects. For a more complex animation, consider layering multiple text animations. Preview your animation by pressing the spacebar to check for timing and flow. Make any necessary adjustments to keyframes for better pacing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.